Welcome back everybody. I've taken the outer box off and we're left with this big giant second box or inner box, which I'm going to open up now. So I've got my Swiss Army knife here. I'm just going to cut across here. Okay, there's a little pull tab anyway, so there you go. How good is that? Didn't need to cut it. So I'll just put that there. Now, okay, that opens up like so. Okay, one good thing about Apple, they definitely package everything really tight. Okay, okay, how are we going to get out of here? Okay, just turn that up. There you go, that's the screen there. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, that thing's huge. Okay, so there's not much in the box. It's just awkward. It's just too awkward. Oh, okay. No. I'm gonna need two people to get rid of this box. Okay. Oh, what a monstrosity. Okay, we'll just get rid of this box. Okay. Now, how do we just lift this up somehow? Okay. So we've got power cable, obviously. Power cable. Okay. That side. Okay, there's nothing in that one, so let's get rid of that. I think that's probably the keyboard and the mouse, I would assume, in there. Nothing in here left. Okay, let's have a look what's in here. There you go, that's the magic keyboard and the little magic mouse there. We'll open it up. There you go. Magic mouse. Now both these are wireless, so they get charged. They get charged basically with a lightning cable to the computer, as you would with your iPhone, and apparently 2 hours worth of charge, get about 2 months worth of use out of them. So that's pretty good. That's the power cable for the back of the iMac. And now to have a look at the screen. Okay. And there's all little stickers on the back of here, so you can rip into those. Okay. This is going to be huge. Oh. Oh, there you go. That is the nice screen there. I'll just adjust the camera angle. There you go. How good is that? Beautiful. We'll chuck that out of the way. Now there's all plastic around it. So Apple always go out of their way to package everything really nice. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the 5K Retina Display. Okay. Well, there's a piece down the other end which I can't get to. I'll have to do it a bit later on, but there you go. So we've got power cable, keyboard, mouse, and the iMac itself, the screen. How cool is that? Now I'll get a bit closer so people can see what comes in the package. So as you can see there, we've got the wireless mouse and keyboard, power cable, and that is the big screen, the 27-inch iMac. Now that is huge. I'm so used to a smaller 21-inch screen at the moment. There you go, the power goes into there. Then you've got all the connectors at the back there. I think you've got Ethernet, a couple of lightning ports, 4 USB-A's I think, SD card slot, and I think that's for your speakers. There, sorry about that. Yeah, that's my new 27-inch 5K Retina Display iMac. Now, I need to disconnect my PC with all the cables and everything. I was going to do it last night, but I didn't get a chance to do it, so I'll have to do that later tonight. And but that's what's in the box. As you can see, there's cartons and boxes everywhere, but Apple do package everything up very nice. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll have to do a review on how this runs once I set it all up, plug it in, but I'm already loving the big screen. This thing's fantastic. It's great to watch movies on. Not only that, but edit videos. Anyway, take care everyone, be safe, and talk to you soon. Take care.